Hi, and welcome back. It's about 11:30 at night, so probably another quick video, but I think it's not. We're gonna drill some spot welds on that pillar and then keep sanding on the bed. Want to do a little bit of each every night, so it's just not one big monotonous week-long video of sanding. So we'll drill out some spot welds and then we'll start sanding. And if you like to see more of this content with the Bronco, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out and keeps me motivated to come out here and work on it. Boy, do I got a mess. Oh, that blue dust and dirt. I think I'll be working on this side, trying to get these the best I can all the way down. Bit right there is really hot. I think it burnt my hand when I tried to take it off a while ago. That's about all the energy I have to work on the spot welds today, because for some reason these seem extremely tough to get through. I got about halfway done. I got like 1, 2, 3. I figure this is just gonna break when I take it off anyways. Then we got some through here. But I think we'll wait on those because for some reason that little bit right there tired me out pretty good. We still got to figure out how to get this. But anyways, I think I'm going to turn my attention to right in here on the bedside. I'll at least try to get it up and over before my little sander starts messing up on me. We are slowly getting there, but I think you can see we got a little bit of a divot. I think it's from the half cap top that's on it. I don't know if I should try to pull it out or put Bondo over it. It's kind of a deep, or just leave it. Give me y'all's thoughts on what I should do about that. But the rest of it's still pretty hot, but Still pretty smooth. Don't see anything that really concerns me, except for that ding. But I think that'll do it for me tonight. The spot welds are really on there. Kind of hard drilling through that metal. I guess it's a little bit thicker than the rest of the body panels. But we'll keep drilling on this and take that weld up here off, and we'll pop that whole thing off. I'm wanting to fit the new one just to make sure it's not meant to be made like that, and more than likely it's not. Then we'll continue on pulling the kick panel off, and then getting this piece in the middle, front apron, and we'll tack that on, and then tack the kick panel on, and then fit the front half of the pillar, and then tack the back half on after. And after that, we can work on the floors, getting those situated, and the inner and outer rockers. And once all that's done, I'm pretty confident we could lift this off and stick it somewhere. I don't know where, maybe right where I'm standing. And we can start working on the chassis and getting that all straightened out, painted, and just everything done to it, bushings and springs and shocks, a lot of stuff. Anyways, thanks for watching, and like I said before in the video, if you want to see me try my hand at restoring this, just please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out, and really helps the channel to grow. The longer people watch, and the more people watch, and the more subscribers I have, really helps me and my shop get out there a little bit. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next.